At the end of the day, there's only one solution to this problem, and that is Congress. Whatever else may happen will happen, but Congress really needs to raise the debt ceiling. That's the only way out.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven and Tonic fam, Crow fam. I am back with some more bullish content for you guys in this video. Yeah, Tonic is looking great. It's looking great. And you know, if you've been watching my channel long enough, right? If you've been watching long enough, you'll know why it's doing great. Anybody taking a guess why Tonic is doing great right now? Okay, it's because the rest of the market is doing great. There's so much things that have unfolded while I haven't been posting. There's so much things that's been happening. I've just been monitoring everything on Twitter, keeping tabs on it. I'm gonna make one video each, 3 videos. Be sure to check out all 3, and I'm just gonna go through everything that I missed leading up to this point, one video at a time, because so much has happened. Tonic fam, Crow fam, if you are interested in any of this content, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Go support all my previous videos. A lot of people in my comment section say, oh, you ain't know what you talking about, you are a fraud, you know, you stop watching cartoons. I was saying before anybody else that cover, not to you know, bring down other content creators, right, at all, you know, but I was speaking about the whole bank collapsing, Tonic being able, you control your money with Tonic, you know, Tonic is the new bank, the World Economic Forum, you know, the debt clock. Look at this. Jim Cramer. Always do the opposite of Jim Cramer. Which video was it? Like, for example, with the bricks, for example, right here, Tonic, this is crucial because it affects Tonic. Now, it might not fully affect the growth of the project, but the facts are in the charts. The facts are in the charts. I've learned this from watching other YouTubers like Traders University. Now, obviously, some, you know, those type of guys just follow like the big projects like Bitcoin, and that's it. But altcoins follow Bitcoin, like, you know, like the lead market mover. They follow the markets and the lead market mover to a T, as long as they are fundamentally sound. I've said this time and time again. And we take a look at Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin doing right now? Breaking out. What is Tonic doing? Following the big daddy. And what is, you know, obviously Tonic is following Crow as well, because Crow is doing the same thing, right? But it all starts right here when the TradFi markets move, traditional finance, you know, traditional finance like S&P 500, Nasdaq, DXY going down. Then we see huge moves in Bitcoin. Bitcoin is breaking out right now because of the failure of the banks. The banks literally, what is it called? SVIB, Silicon Valley Bank, SVB. I don't know the acronyms. I don't know what the words are for it, you know. But I've been covering this. I was saying we need our own bank. We need our own banking system because the previous financial system is collapsing. People are saying, stop watching cartoons. Look at this video right here. Tonic, the SEC can't stop DeFi, the new bank. And now we're this close on the brink of financial collapse. But what is crypto doing? What is Tonic doing, right? What is Tonic doing, guys? I know I'm ranting, but I just want to bask in the little, you know, the little glory, right? I just want to bask in it a little bit, right? What is Tonic doing? Breaking to the upside. And I don't want to be a guy that be like, oh, I told you so. No, never. But this is how it's all correlated. This is why when I make my videos and bring these, you know, eye-catching thumbnails, I won't say clickbait because they're eye-catching. When I bring these eye-catching thumbnails, it's for a purpose, right? When I go through my tweets right here with Xi Jinping from China, right, the president of China, how it ties back into Tonic is because the facts are in the charts. Tonic is a fundamentally sound altcoin that I've said time and time again follows the broader markets. So when the market is bullish like this, say the Tonic team drops a new exchange listing, Coinbase listing, when it's already bullish like this, up 7%? What's gonna happen to the price? When the market is bullish, TONIC is bullish, right? So what's gonna happen to the price when a catalyst is built on top of, you know, the already bullish project, the already bullish altcoin, fundamentally sound altcoin? This 7% is gonna be 200%, 300%, and that's just how it's going to be going into the next bull cycle, in my opinion. Okay, because I still could be wrong, but so far, you know, I've been crushing it, and I'm really proud of myself, right? So if you guys, like I said, when I make videos, if you guys could support them, you know, I really appreciate it, because as far as like returning viewers, my other channel that I'm starting from ground zero is doing much better, right? So yeah, I'm ranting, guys, but right here, Fed Chair Jerome Powell talking about the debt ceiling, having to raise the debt ceiling, right? Raising the debt ceiling means they'll have to print more money. When the money printers turn on, the DXY, the literal US dollar, falls, and then altcoins, crypto, moves up. TONIC moves up. What is TONIC doing when the banks are failing? It's moving up. I was saying this in my videos, the proof is in the pudding. I'm not gonna be a I told you so type of guy, but you know, I would just, you know, I would be happy if I get support for like, yo, Joven, you called it, bro. You know, that'd be great. And all I ask is that y'all like and subscribe, watch the videos, you know. Let's take a look at the video.
But at the end of the day, there's only one solution to this problem, and that is Congress. Whatever else may happen will happen, but Congress really needs to raise the debt ceiling. That's the only way out, in a timely way that allows us to pay off.
Raise the debt ceiling. Let's take a look. National debt clock. Man, if people think that we are, you know, good financially in the US and the rest of the world, you know, China, the BRICS, China, Russia, India, South Africa, already making moves because they see what's happening, right? Raise the debt ceiling. The debt ceiling is at $31.6 trillion in debt, US national debt right now. Okay, raise the debt ceiling to print more money. That will obviously help the markets and add liquidity to the markets. Stock market, crypto. We're gonna see projects like TONIC break out, go crazy, you know. But what's going to happen to the economy in the future? Like, will crypto just be like, you know, after everything collapses, crypto just sends to like crazy levels, the biggest bull market ever? I think that's what's going to happen. But I don't know if the biggest bull market ever is still gonna be sustainable and last for like years, right? It's probably gonna last for a good amount of years, but then we might see another collapse in the crypto market again, and then what's gonna happen? But you know, I'm not even as far as thinking that far ahead. I'm just thinking, well, at least we were in crypto so we could get our gains, so we could be recession proof. So at least we're gonna have, you know, funds. We're gonna have money that, you know, we could use in case of anything, right? We have money that we could use in case, you know, things get really bad. That's what I'm thinking.
All of our bills when and as due, and if we fail to do so, I think that the consequences are hard to estimate, but they could be extraordinarily adverse, and could do long-standing harm.
Telling you guys. This ad right here, we're gonna check out that ad. One more video right here.
You know, a CBDC. I think you're asking whether a CBDC would serve some of that. A CBDC is going to be years in the evaluation, and you know.
And I was covering it on the channel. CBDCs, World Economic Forum. Let's scroll back. World Economic Forum, global elites. CBDCs, control of your money. You know, when these things get implemented, this is when we're gonna see crypto just go crazy, and TONIC is gonna follow, man. TONIC is a strong altcoin, right?
I think we can get this into the hands of the public very quickly, and I think we'll have real-time payments in this country very, very soon, and so that's a good thing.
I'll never put my trust in these officials, man. I really won't. This is why I'm in crypto, man. Decentralization to me is the future. I'll never put my trust in the officials, no matter which side. I'm never picking a side, ever. I pick the side of the people, right? I pick the side of the honest, working person, man or woman, the honest person that is making a living for themselves, doing their best to survive in this crazy world that we're in. My apologies if vehicle is passing, guys, but that's who I put my trust in. You know, people like me that are making a living, an honest living, and doing their best to survive in how crazy this world is. And you know, crypto, DeFi, decentralized finance, TONIC, Crow, these are the type of assets that's going to, you know, put us in the place in life so we could, you know, be a lot better off in the future when things start to, you know, collapse and go crazy. Thank y'all so much for watching. TONIC fam, Crow fam, really appreciate the support. Next video, we're probably gonna get into the the SVB bank collapsing, and you know what happened, and you know what took place, what caused it, all of that stuff. And you know, the next video after that, we're gonna be talking about what recently happened with the Fed, with you know the market open today, and what they did about the SVB situation, because there could be contagion. So they did their best to stop it as soon as possible, because they're trying to protect, literally, the thing I've been speaking about, the financial system, the previous financial system collapsing. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, leave a super thanks, become a channel member, and you know, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.